So mathematics is not about calculating things, it's about understanding the operations of nature. But the universe is expanding. This is proof that I will show you how universe is expanding. Not only expanding, it is accelerating with the physical universe. So now the study of the origin, when the universe started or when the universe came to exist, how it evolved through different stages, how the structures came to exist. Now your body structure, my body structure, or the structure of this earth, structure of this whatever you can see, when they came to exist and how all this works. So okay, so Giordano Bruno, he was a, you can say, scientist. He just told in Europe, he just told that the, like our sun, there are many suns, all these stars are sun to different planets, and he was burnt by the priests. Okay, he was in naked in a you can say, he was burnt because that was contradicting the concept of Bible. And once I was giving a talk in Lucknow, one person came and told, sir, where is that Golok Dham? I don't know whether that what is that Golok Dham is. I don't have any idea. The beauty of science is that it is not fixed. It cannot say that you have to obey this, neither will kill you. Okay, but this is the creation myths. Even all the mythical stories, if you find, they are discussing about a static universe. Means some creator is there somewhere, created the universe, that's it. Okay, even Albert Einstein, he was also convinced with a static universe. And he was thinking and he invented cosmological constant, a constant added to his field equations just to find a static solution. So these are the successes of the general theory of relativity. So what theory told and what observations recently explained. So how beautiful the theory are. 70% of the universe volume is occupied by dark energy, 25% dark matter, 4% here you can see your free hydrogen and helium, and just here you can see 1% is here our all the star, galaxy, black hole, interstellar gas, everything, it is collectively just 1%, and out of which only 0.03% is heavy elements like our Earth. Albert Einstein has discovered this cosmological constant lambda to find the static solution. Then when Hubble found that the universe is expanding, Einstein told that I have done the biggest blunder in my life, that is the cosmological constant. But in 1998, when the scientists discovered that the universe is accelerating, they brought this lambda to the right hand side of the Einstein field equation, and this lambda is the best candidate for the dark energy.
The next question is from Indur Chavla. How can I become an astronaut in India? What are the requirements and how can I fulfill them? How do you think the society can be aware about career scope in space science?
Yeah, first thing better here, forget about how the society will do, because if you can convince to your parents also, that is the biggest achievement in my.
How black holes are born and die?
Yeah, black holes are, you see, there is a completely whole theory, black hole physics. Anything falls into it goes somewhere. We do not know, because we cannot enter into the black hole. But some people say the opposite side of the black hole may be another universe, that may be a white hole. Okay, and nothing can escape out from the black hole, then nothing can enter into a white hole, and a connection between the black hole and white hole may be a wormhole. You study astronomy, astrophysics, specifically nowadays astronautics. There are some institutes in India also. Okay, for that you need to be very, very strong in mathematics and physics, these two subjects. Okay, then simultaneously you have to be strong enough in nowadays you can see what computer language. In India you can go and make some religious temples and mosques, all these things are very easy. but launching a spacecraft is very difficult.